Hi, this is another video, and this is part 2 of the Mosaic 2024-2025 NBA trading cards for Panini Mosaic. And I'm confused. Who really is the face of the box? Is it really Steph Curry? Or is it Jamorant? Is this fake? Is this fake? Or they're both original and they just want two faces on the box? So comment down below if this is correct and not fake. So hopefully they're not fake because or do they usually get two players to be the face of the box? So I'm confused. So comment down below what's the truth. And again, this is AJ Cornstar. So let's now start the part 2 of the Mosaic 2024-2025 NBA trading cards. And like what I always say, I know it's 2026, but I still need some cards that from players that has transferred from the teams, from different teams rather, that I still don't have it. So I need those type of players that transferred from the season 2024-2025 to be on a card on their new team. Especially now that the trade deadline just finished, more cards needs to be filled with those players that changed their teams. All right, so let's get started with the special participation of our longtime buddy here, Mr. Scissors. All right. Let's do the first box. Thanks, Mr. Scissors, for always being there for us. I'm opening the Jamorant box first. And then, so it's supposed to be 6 packs. All right. So as you can see, box is empty. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. And then we're opening the first Stephen Curry box here. So, and hopefully this is not fake. So this came from Walmart. So is the Jamorant version fake? I don't know. So we're gonna find out. So there's supposed to be 6 packs as well. All right. It's sad that Panini lost its copyright for NBA cards, but hopefully Topps is doing what's necessary to have great cards in terms of design and types of cards that we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So opening the last box for this break or for this video. Thank you again, Mr. Scissors, for helping us out on this video. Oh, but yeah, we still need him when opening the packs. I forgot. Alright, so let's open this. Supposedly 6 packs. Box is empty. So in total, supposedly, it should be 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna put 3 here. And then 3 here. So 9 in total. All right. So let's start our video with the first pack. I forgot where the inserts were for Mosaic. Is it in the middle, at the we're going to try to discover if it's at the back. So first card, Gigi Jackson, Anthony Edwards, and then Kyle Lowry in a 76ers uniform. Where is he now? Where's my idol? Dalton Knecht in a rookie card. And then these are the inserts already. So hopefully we get good inserts that we're going to open later. Watch out for that. Alright, we're now on our second pack. Hopefully we get a banger. Hopefully we get Mosaic. Hopefully. So, Franz Wagner. It's funny because you pronounce W as V in Germany. That's a trivia. So, Al Horford. Where is he now? Rookie card, another Dalton Knecht. But it's an NBA debut. Alright, I think these are the inserts. Or holo. Is that a something? Let's wait and see later. So we're just putting all the inserts on the side for now. Alright, we're going to go to the third pack. Again, hopefully we get a Mosaic or something great. Right, it's Lou Dort, Shaden Sharp, then at the back, Pacomi. I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name. So comment down below. The Diet. And then, yeah. So let's put Lou Dort as a cover. And put Gigi Jackson as a cover. All right, so we're on to our fourth pack. Still on the Stephen Curry version of it. Wendell Carter Jr. hopefully he gets back. And then Isaiah Stewart. And then at the back, it's Yuki Kawamura. Is he being waived right now? Or where is he going to next? Hopefully he gets a playing time. And then at the back, right, let's cover using Wendell Carter Jr. And then put it on the side. Put Yuki as a cover. So we're now on our fifth pack. All right. It's Cole Anthony, who was just traded, I think, to Utah. I'm not sure. Christian Braun with the fat contract of $25 million. Hopefully he gets to his game shape, wherein he's worth $25 million. And then Ron Allen II. I think he's having a sophomore slump. Hopefully gets back in to get some playing time and get some rhythm. Right. Oh, there's a green at the back. Hopefully it's something good. Give me a Jokic. All right. So hopefully we get a banger. All right. So we're on to our sixth pack. Let's go. This is now the Jamorant pack. So Nas Reed, one of my guys who I want to play or for him to play with Jokic. Ivica Subak, one of my guys as well at the back. Rob Dillingham. I thought he's gonna be good, but he's still undersized, and he was traded to the Chicago Bulls. Oh, there's another green. Did I reveal it? Were you able to read the name? Comment down below. All right. Right. So we're on to our seventh pack. Cameron Thomas, which was waived. Comment down below on which team do you think he's gonna go to. Patrick Williams. Hopefully he gets playing time and to be able to be productive on what he was projected to be. Tristan De Silva, one of my guys, NBA debut, RC. All right. Let me use Cam Thomas to cover for it. We're going to reveal all the inserts later. I think this is just base card. Emmanuel Quickley. All right. We're on to our 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I think this is already the 8th pack. So let's go. All right. Oh, there's green. Speaking of green, in a Milwaukee Bucks uniform, Gary Trent Jr., Evan Mobley, and at the back, Derrick Rose, NBA greats. Ooh, something blue. Wonder what that is. Oh, already revealed the green. Grant Williams. Sorry, guys. And just a base card, Cam Whitmore. All right, so on our 9th pack, the Stephen Curry version. All right, Klay Thompson. Is he already a bust, or is he still going to improve on a better situation? And then Zach Edey, NBA debut. Devin Booker. All right. We're gonna reveal the inserts later. All right, just fixing our card holder here. All right. We're going to put Evan Mobley as a cover. Then base card, Peyton Watson. All right, we're on the 9th pack. We're halfway there. All right. Kelly Oubre Jr., Julian Champagny, which I think is getting better. Then Jared McCain, which was just traded to the OKC Thunder. The rich gets richer, huh? Getting a good player. Jared McCain, NBA debut. All right. Let's put Kelly Oubre as a cover. Peyton Watson. Hopefully, Jokic can still play with Peyton Watson next year and they will be able to resign him. I'm not sure about that contract situation. Jordan Clarkson, who's still in the Jazz uniform, but now in New York for this year. All right. So this is our 10th pack. All right, Derek White, one of my guys. The guys I want them to play with Jokic. Oh, speaking of Nikola Jokic. Oh, I revealed the Gems Masters. Zachary Ricochet. All right, sorry for that. Duplicate Rob Dillingham. RC card. I need to be more careful. Sorry, guys. All right, on our 11th pack. All right, so Kawhi Leonard, is he going to be traded next year? Someone would want him as a contender. Oh, Jared McCain, duplicate. And then Jordan Poole. Oh, do you know that hair? Have I revealed it or no? Right, 11th pack. Let's go. All right, Tyler Hero. I was surprised he was not traded. Jalen Duren. Well, I think it can be an All-NBA team, third or second team. Depends if the Pistons going to finish first in the East. Jalen Tyson, rookie card. Okay. Oh, Brandon Ingram in a Raptors uniform. This is one of the players I was looking for. And I have it now. See? I still need to catch up with the player movement. All right. And then Cam Whitmore. Base card. So I think this is the 12, 13, 14, 15. No. So I got lost track of the number. It's supposed to be 18 packs. So 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Okay, so let's go. All right. This is still the Stephen Curry version. Another Derek White. I think this is the third. All right. Contagious Cadwell Pope. We miss your defense. RJ Barrett. RC. Donovan Clingan. Oh, red. We have a red. Oh, I think this is just a base card. Darius Garland getting traded to LAC. So I need that card. So these are the Jamorant versions that were left. All right. So down to our fourth to the last pack. There's no red, just green. Bam Adebayo. Another Brandon Ingram. Johnny Furphy, rookie card, was having an awesome season on his sophomore year. All right. Base card, Jason Tatum. Base cards to Manny Camara. All right, we're on to our third to the last pack. All right, Asar Thompson, Karis LeVert. Now in an Atlanta uniform. This is what I'm looking for. Nice. Magic Johnson, NBA greats. Right. Oh, I already revealed it. Kobe White. Now, and where was he traded? I forgot if it was Minnesota. No, it's not Minnesota. He's now in Utah, I think. And then base card, Derek Jones Jr. All right, second to the last pack. Right, Paul George in the Philadelphia uniform. DeMar DeRozan in a Sacramento uniform. Jalen Brunson, base card. Antonio Reeves, Pelicans rookie. Oh, performance. Let's reveal that later. This is just a base card, Draymond Green. All right, so we're on the last pack. And to be honest with you, it's kind of thick. So I'm hoping it was... So hopefully it's a banger. This is it, guys. Sadiq Bey. Wizards uniform. Drew Holiday still in Boston, not a Portland uniform. Dirk Nowitzki, NBA greats. Oh, it is. Is it? Is that an autograph card or what? Base cards, Scottie Pippen Jr. Now in a Grizzlies uniform. Those are the cards I'm looking for. So now, we're going to say goodbye to Mr. Caesars. Thank you for all your help. So, this will be So this will be the inserts for this video for Mosaic 2024-2025. Hopefully we get some bangers, okay? So this would be it. First insert, epic performance. Luka Doncic, nice. All right, so let's just put it here. I think this is just holo. Terrence Mann in an Atlanta uniform. One of the things that I was looking for. Red. We have a red. Red Giannis Antetokounmpo. Next, we have here is... So we have a green City Edition, Giannis Antetokounmpo. All right, so the one we revealed a while ago, Jam Masters, also with epic performers, rookie card Dalton Connect. All right, we have another green. Epic performers, Jason Tatum. So next card is Cole Anthony, still in a Magic uniform. Next, Elevate, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. All right. Next card. Oh, Kyle Filipowski, rookie. No, it's a rookie card. Holo, Nas Reed. All right, another. Oh, Jam Masters, Jason Tatum. Give me some Jokic. Just gonna put this in here. All right, we have another green. Green, Bob Currington, NBA debut. I think this is just a base card. Nikola Vucevic, who is now in Golden State. Another just base card, Bogdan Bogdanovic in a Clippers uniform. So we have a green, Nikola Jokic, epic performers, nice. This is what I'm talking about. More Jokic, please. All right, another green, De'Aaron Fox in a San Antonio uniform. I've been waiting for this card since he was traded from Kings during this year. Nice. All right, next card. Oh, Malik Beasley. Hopefully he clears out the gambling issue and will be back because he's a good player. All right, just a base card, Christian Braun. All right, another green. Oh, it's Jonas Valanciunas in a Sacramento uniform. One of my guys. All right. Elevate, Joel Embiid. Next up, just a base card, Ivica Zubac. We have a green, This green is Dalton Connect RC. Right. Next card will be Brandon Pujemski. Nice. Golden State Warriors. Let's just adjust this one. All right. Next insert. Red, I think. Right. All right, give and go. Bob Carrington. All right, next insert. We have Keyshawn George, who can play forward and who can play guard. RC, who's now in his sophomore year. All right. I think this is just a base card. Malik Beasley in a Pistons uniform. Next, City Edition, Holo, Victor Wembanyama. Next insert would be Mikal Bridges in a New York Knicks uniform. One of the cards I'm looking for. All right, third to the last insert would be green. Cam Reddish. Hopefully he goes back from playing. I'm not sure. Yes, just base card. Benedict Mathurin being traded to the LA Clippers. So this is it. The last insert for this video. I hope it's a mosaic. Thunder Road, Luka Doncic. So this would be the inserts for this 2024-2025 Panini Mosaic Part 2. And see you on the next video.